Negative. I do hear Wild Cherry playing though.
Yeah.
Hey, I got hit. Yeah. One bounced off my head. I wasn't sure first, but then. Sorry.
It's great.
Who's shooting? There's someone shooting to the right of us. BBs are coming by me. Oh, that's behind us. Wait a minute, who's... Where's that coming from? Oh, right here. Right behind us. Watch the BBs. Right there. Oh, shit. Right here, right here. Dude, they're behind the wooden parrot, the wooden...
Yeah, I know.
All right, I got him. I got one. You guys are gonna back. Watch yourself. Watch yourself. Go ahead. Go, go, go. All right. Just two. We left two. All right, just stay where you're at. Keep your gun up, Carrie. We pushing forward? Oh. All right, I'm moving up. I'm moving up. That's a good copy. Hold your ground. Shit, we're getting flanked. We're getting flanked to the left. Behind this tree. Watch that way. Roger that. This is Scott. Negative. I'm all the way up past the sawmill on the road up here, pushing up. I know I'm to his left on the by the creek over. Hey Travis, I can't get eyes on those guys. Where are they at? Over. Travis, I got him. Travis, we got guys moving to the right, over there by Matthias's pond. Travis, you watching me? We got bad guys this way. Hey Travis, look at me. I'm going to show you where they're at. Scratch one bandit. There's two more over. Jay, you need to repeat that. That was a real low transmission. Over. We got a group of bad guys on the other side of Matthias's pond. Over. Hey Travis, can I move up to those spare tires on the ground over there? Over. Yeah, these tires up here. Can I get up there, or is it too dangerous? Roger that. Give me about, let me go on my mark. Hold on. Mark. Be advised, there are people south of Matthias's swamp. Over. Roger that. People are starting to flank to my left. Over. All right, ready? Hey. Hey. Be advised, man. We got guys moving to the left here. I'm going to get on the other side of these logs. Carrie, get up here. Be advised that we're going to have bad guys moving by the mausoleum. Over. I know. Whoa, whoa. Oh, he's running. He's running. Black Cypress, be advised that the bad guys are moving away from the supply depot. They're moving into the ditch behind Matthias's pond. Over.
There's another one. Go.
All right.
We're going left.
Travis, you got ears?
We're going left.
Okay. I'm going this way. Hold on. I'm reloading. Hold on. Fresh mag. Hold on. All right, ready? You stay right here. Carrie, come on. All right. Jay, I got the mausoleum under control. I got 2 dead guys. One's hiding in the ferns. Over. Just me and Carrie. Over. He's still in the same position. Oh, Travis is with me. Over. I think I got 3K. Just tell him no to see.
Yeah, we've got all 4 of us are over here. All of our battle buddies are here.
What's that? Yeah. He's crawling. He's crawling. All right, I'm reloading. Hey. Tell them to be advised that there are people. All right, hold on. I got one guy moving. I don't know if I got him or not. They keep saying he's hit. See where that dead guy's right there? Hey, put that rag on your head. You.
Put your rag on.
Well, then keep waving your hand. Just keep your hand up. Put the gun over your head, something. All right, I got that guy back there. I think there's one more moving. I'm going to move. I'm going to flank this way. All right, you stay right. Somebody dropped the rag. You dropped your red rag. Yeah. It's me, Black Cypress. All clear. Yeah, he's dead. He's gone. Jay, be advised that the ferns are clear. Ferns are clear and mausoleum is clear. Over. What's that?
When he shot me, he nailed me right in the back of the head.
I'm sorry, man. Yeah, it's a good copy. You said repeat that transmission part though. Go with push where? That's a good copy. Roger that. Hey guys, we're gonna push into the natural bunker. Let's get online out here. When we get to the natural bunker, hold up. Hey, be advised, there is our good guys in the natural bunker. Hey, Greg, we're moving up to the natural bunker from your east. Be advised. All right, he's no good. Move up. You all right?
Yeah, just.
All right. Hey Jay, be advised that Greg's head's blocking the actual bunker over. Alright, good guys are in the bunker. Right here in front of us, where the tree was. That dead tree.
That big one where we were at?
Yep. We've taken it, it's ours. I hope my SD card's big enough to capture all that carnage they put on everybody. Oh, that's all right. I still kick ass, even with a bum leg. Oh, sorry.
Funny, your battle team buddy's way in the back.
I know that's hard for them to keep up.
Wait. Listen up. The scout was chasing me. Saying Greg up in their infamous tortoise chase. Good shit, man.
That was good, man. We fucking whooped up on them, didn't we?
Yeah. Dude, did you get all those fucking guys across the creek?
Yeah.
Holy shit, man. I just look over there and see Reg Rad City.
I was whipping up on them. They weren't expecting me.
Yeah, I was trying to get up there too. Hear that woodpecker or whatever it is? Yeah, don't move. Don't move. Stop, Greg. Squirrel? Move towards it. Let's go, everybody. Sounds like guns. Thomas. All right. Get online. Get online. Oh, we're on a line. Everybody online. Right up here. Stop. You and Gary take the border.
Roger that.
For the record, it's a woodpecker.
I want to save some dead guys for you guys.
Oh, that might be a woodpecker. I'm pretty sure it's a woodpecker, but we'll go pursue it if you want. We'll take that bitch out because I don't know where the boys went to. Unless they somehow went down. Right. The ones that were over here. You can clear around.
How is it going? Sorry, I didn't leave anything for you to kill. Just some mopping up stuff.
They got back in here.
I was shooting wherever I saw him poking out through the trees.
What's that?
I was shooting wherever I see him poking out through
Yep,
the trees.
that's how you do it.
The only place we even cleared was right there. Let's spread online.
All right.
Send out and the perimeter. Yeah. That's what I wanted to do, but I